I'm Gordon Korman, and I'm excited to tell you about my newest book, Snoop. It's about a kid who breaks both his legs in a skiing accident on spring break and is stuck at home for weeks with both legs in cast. He's so bored. And just to connect himself to the world, he starts checking out live feeds from cameras around town. Before you know it, he's hooked, watching classmates when they don't know he's looking, spying on neighbors, and discovering a few highly unusual things that no one else is noticing, things that just might be illegal. I got the idea for Snoop from an old Alfred Hitchcock movie from back before I was born called Rear Window. A guy stuck at home and becomes obsessed with spying on neighbors. The thing is, in 1953, they didn't have the kind of technology we do. There's never been a better time to be a middle school Snoop. But the biggest problem, way back then, and especially today, is that once you start snooping, the hardest thing is to look away.